All right, I am back on. Had taken a few days hiatus, but where I left off was I kind of started structuring this out. So here at the top, I've just got the price of everything, and then I've listed out some things that I should mention. Here's just some random rambling, and then here's some random text for the intro. I'm going to list out what I use my computer build for, and then I'm going to describe how I built it, and then just wrap it up kind of quickly. So this is all for the computer that I built back in October of 2019, but I'm putting it on the blog, which, as you see down here, is a blog website that I started, but I've just been behind on everything by several months. So anyway, I'm just continuing on with that. So I'm gonna look at this. Look at my intro here, which I got to change a lot of stuff up, especially in the intro, but I was just kind of putting ideas down. So a lot of this is going to get changed up. So let me just start back from the top. And I don't think I want to start that by saying imagine. But we could. Imagine yourself walking into Target. Looking to purchase a bed frame. Improve your quality of sleep. So I think that's what I kind of want to start this off with is, let's just say, to improve the quality of your sleep. Also, this is probably way off. So the intro is just I'm trying to kind of make or draw a parallel, find a similar situation to kind of the thought process behind why I put together this computer, but put it towards something that may be a little bit more relatable, because as I explained last time, I don't imagine anyone who might be reading this is specifically going to be looking to build a computer, but maybe if they read it, they'll kind of go, oh, maybe I can do this, or I see why maybe I should, or why I would want to do something like this. So that's all I'm trying to do here in the intro part of this, is just get a relatable scenario kind of at the start. So for people who, have zero interest of building a computer, they don't necessarily dive right into this, and they go, yeah, I don't want, this is not something I want to do. So instead, I'm just kind of starting with like, I don't know, the first thing that came to my mind was just to like buy a bed set or something. So let's say you have a goal to improve the quality of your sleep. This sentence can go away. You have been searching online. I don't think that matters so much. You would like to buy that. Maybe good starting point would be to dive into the research, to start researching mattresses and how a new mattress could help you towards your goal of catching more Z's. I know that's not an actual word, but I'll just leave it there. You would like to buy that? Okay. Quickly, you may find that it is not only the mattress that will help you sleep better, but your entire bed set. That's 2 words. Bed set is crucial. So now you are looking at the entire bed set piece by piece. You take into consideration the frame. Does the frame allow for easy falling into bed? Is it big enough for your needs? Will it be sturdy and last a long time? Next, you consider the remaining pieces. The mattress, pillows, pillowcases, comforter, sheets, and possibly a nightstand or lamp for bedtime reading. All of these factors go into your decision making for building your bedtime scene. Now take this entire process and imagine applying this to anything else. Although for an entirely different purpose, this is the mindset applied when building my own computer. All right. I think that's doing all right the way that it is. I'll come back to that and revise it probably a few more times, but we'll move on to this. At least I think these first few sentences now kind of fall into the rest of it better. And keep in mind that that I am not anywhere near a professional writer, so I'm just this is just something I want to practice and get better at. So I started with this one. There wasn't a whole lot of writing in these. This is more just informational. Did write this one and this one, But anyway, I just gotta practice this more, so hopefully I get better. Let me know if this is too noisy here. All right. So this. Where this keeps reformatting this, although for entirely to this. I applied a similar process when building my own desktop computer. Now, there are many reasons why anyone would want to do a personal computer build, PC build. Some of the most popular reasons would be for PC gaming, video editing. I don't want to list all this out. Let's see. In today's connected world, mobile device reign supreme. That desktop computers obsolete. Let's see. Would be becoming obsolete. At the same time, there are many reasons and instances a desktop computer would be absolutely necessary for a lot of people. Work from I guess you could do that with a laptop. Trying to build the case for building a desktop computer. This section might be running a little longer than I would care for. I'm just going to throw out the example of YouTubers. Actually, let me do work from home. Let's say, for example, I am having a difficult time trying to get these words out that I'm thinking in my head. Some who work from home or have passion projects that they need a higher level of performance and speed from their computer. This may be the case for YouTubers YouTubers why is it giving me this? Don't give me that. This may be the case for YouTubers who need higher processing capabilities to musicians working. Oh no. Let me get back to that sentence. This may be the case for YouTubers who need graphics processing capabilities to edit their videos, recording, editing, and mixing. Again, higher performance. I feel like I'm saying the same thing over and over here. At the same time, there are many reasons an instances of a desktop computer would be absolutely necessary for a lot of people. So, whom? No. Need a higher level of performance and it's quite possible that it's not quite possible. Tech, even just being a tech enthusiast is enough reason to build a PC, not a PIC. For myself, you are literally looking at the main reason for my computer build. The shjournal.com, shameless plug. That's what I'm doing here anyway. This is my website. At the same time, having worked on and with computers for a long time, I definitely felt that I was overdue for building my own computer. Even still, I did have to do more research than I would like to admit in order to understand how exactly to execute this endeavor. All right. I think that section is starting to come together a little bit. I don't even know what that looks like in terms of like, is this, I don't even think this is probably a lot to read. Like, I haven't even written a lot, but I feel like this takes me forever to do. So, yeah, like this looks like a decent amount. That's okay. I don't have to write a lot. I don't have to make it super complicated, just as long as someone reads this and they're just like, oh, wow. This is easy to understand. Then I think that's all I'm going for here. How did I build it? Mention YouTube channels. Previously, I had looked into previously I had looked into the YouTube channels, which helped me get a good idea of what I was building here. I have those listed somewhere here. So all this text here, like I kind of mentioned, this was just the parts and pieces, which I'll list out. Maybe I'll list out in this next section in a table. Let's see. This is the title. I don't even know what this total is. Maybe we could do that right now. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this. All right, let's just total this up. Let's get the calculator out. All right, this is 45 because this is stupidum. So 45 plus 37. I saved a bunch of I saved all the receipts. I also got emails for all my receipts as well. All right, 53. Plus 180. Plus another 45. So that motherboard was actually like 75, but pairing it up with this processor, I got a $30 discount. This is just gonna be 60. This will be 200. This will be 74. You know, $700 for all of that. I think I did get like another 5% because I opened up a credit card with oh. Okay, so that's 7. Here, I'm gonna do this. $694. I would say that's and then I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna add $150. And another $150 because I got 2 of these. And I got 3 monitors, which is not necessary. I do believe a keyboard is necessary. Oh, you know what? I want to put Windows up there. Whatever. That's 35 plus 140. And a case fan for $7. Another $7 because I got 2 case fans. So that puts me, not tattle, total $1273. Not too bad, I don't think. But I did get like everything from scratch. And then I guess I'll just add all this up. So this is what, $5. This is 30. It's 22. So 5 plus. 30 plus 22 plus 20 bucks. 77. So let me add 1,273 to 77, 1,350. Wow, that comes to a really total, a really even number. 1,350. Yeah, I'm debating whether, well, I should include these numbers. This really should go up here, as well as the windows. I'll move that around, but 1,350 is pretty good, I think, for 3 monitors, keyboard. I didn't buy the mouse because I had the mouse. I had a keyboard, but I wanted to get this Microsoft ergonomic keyboard that I use. So yeah. All right. I spent what, like 40 minutes doing all that. Hardcore multitasking. That's cringeworthy. All right, the ability to fix and troubleshoot my computer. Heading into this, my main intentions were to build a PC that would be cost efficient, at the same time have specs that could give me the ability to do some hardcore multitasking. The ability to fix and troubleshoot my computer, as well as specs that could give me the ability to host Zoom meetings without lag. Ha, you're so funny. Not really. Potentially video edit, stream, and dabble in PC gaming. I think this is a part of writing where I just Alright. I think this is the part where I just kind of start getting silly with it. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna type some words here, but I kind of want to change this to I wonder if I can do, oh no, let's see if I can group them. Uh-oh, did it ungroup it? I think so. Ah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do it this way. List those. I think I want it. So what's 694 plus 140? $834. Plus $14, $848. So I'm gonna move these over here, and I'll get rid of this. Do that. I'm gonna add a separator so that I can turn that into a list. I'm gonna save my draft because I'm getting a little further along. I'm gonna move this out of the way because that I think belongs outside of that. Do a list there. I thought there was a way I could do a table. Or maybe I don't want to do a table. Formatting table. Tiled gallery. There's some media and text. Oh, I'm gonna have to put pictures in here soon enough. Spacer. So they've added some stuff since I've last been doing this. 1350. This is total, but I'm gonna do 300, 390. This is 425, the total here. Let's check that out. 848 plus 425 is 1273. So just these three things. But I think I'm gonna... Alright. Total is 1350. Like, I feel like I should just add this in here. Or maybe not even mention it at all. Either way, I had Microsoft Word open and I was just talking into the microphone and it was just jotting down everything, so you can see that it was just, there's a lot of uhs in there, and oh yeah, I can put together these pieces by this price range. I think I'm gonna move this down. That's gonna get deleted. There's nothing in there that I just was talking and having Microsoft Word just kind of put together the words that I was saying, so that I can have, like, verbally just kind of list out what I wanted to write this about. So here's all my stuff kind of listed out. Oh, that's my separator. And this stuff is just helping me organize. This is my intro. This is my what do I use it for. This is going to be the steps that I build. This is not my conclusion. This is just the stuff that I moved down. All right, I'm going to leave it there. Pick this back up tomorrow hopefully a little bit earlier, but I just been getting caught up. Just doing my morning routine stuff. So, I will be back on tomorrow. I'm gonna go eat lunch. Thank you. You guys have a good rest of your day.